Hey YouTube friends, time for another unboxing. Today I am opening up the Mercedes-Benz G320 Cabrio from Tamiya. It is based on the MF-01X chassis, and this chassis is based on the M-Class chassis, which is a shorter version of the touring car chassis that Tamiya produces. And this is the MF-01X is the off-road, so to speak, rally, four-wheel drive version of the M chassis, which usually comes in either front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. So this is the second model that is produced in this chassis. The first one is the Suzuki Jimny. It's a bit smaller than the other 1/10 scale offering by Tamiya. You know, it's kind of like the mini sport utility vehicle types that are going to be produced in this chassis. So anyway, so this is the side box. You can see some of the points, the features: double wishbone suspension, coil spring dampeners, battery center line or in the center, steering servo, which is not included, receiver, which is not included, and looks like a front mounted motor, or is it rear mounted motor? I'm not sure if this is the front or rear, but it's way in the back or way in the front. Side box, no big deal. And another side, here's the parts that you will need if you want to make this really high end or top grade: is ball bearings and aluminum servo savers, you know, aluminum shock dampeners and aluminum motor mounts and all that kind of stuff. And of course you need a battery, you need a remote control, and a receiver. So anyway, it says on the box that this comes with a torque-tuned motor, which I believe means that it's got more turns in it. So it's not going to go as fast, but it should pull a little bit more weight. So this is what comes in the box. These look like transmission pieces, motor mounts. This is the warning instructions, page long. This looks like dampener parts and also chassis parts. I see dampener casings, and I see also chassis parts. So, well, actually this didn't come with it. This I bought separately. I kind of put in the box, so ignore this. And this does come with an ESC, so that's good. And by the way, I got this on Amazon.com. This looks like, you know, chassis parts, body mounts, that sort of thing. Okay, these look like the for the axles. All right, I don't know why it's in red, but I don't know. I wish it wasn't. Okay, so here you have this bag. So these look like, oh, there's my daughter's pet bunny, wants to play. All right, moving forward, this looks like the differential gears. These are plastic bearing screws. More screws. These are differential gears. More screws, more plastic bearings, springs for the dampeners. Okay. Servo saver, more springs for dampeners, O-rings. Okay, more plastic bearings. And this is the torque tune motor that the box promises. More O-rings. And this looks like the drive shaft for the four-wheel drive system. It's actually nice that it's steel. It's not hardened steel, but it is steel, and it's, you know, it's a fairly solid piece of steel. It's not a coat hanger that Tamiya has used in the past. And these look like mirrors and the chrome Mercedes-Benz logo or emblem. These are the wheels, rims. They are not painted, they're just molded in silver plastic. And this is the Cabrio shell. So pretty nice. I noticed that I have not seen any light buckets for this vehicle. I would be really disappointed if there were no light buckets, because that would be a step back from what Tamiya has been doing recently. I mean, most of their body kits have light buckets, but this one doesn't, as far as I can tell. These are the wheels. They've got some really heavy-duty tread patterns, pretty soft. These are a lot deeper treads than what I would normally find on touring car wheels. So not quite rally wheels, but they are a little bit more deep than touring cars. So this is the instructions for painting the Cabrio. And as I suspected, I don't see any part anywhere it mentions light buckets. So it looks like this doesn't have light buckets, which is a bummer. But see, the lights are round, so it shouldn't be too difficult to fashion some makeshift buckets for them. Okay, so these are instruction manuals. It's about 24 pages of instructions. Usual Tamiya high standards. Very detailed. I've yet to put together a kit from Tamiya that the instructions had a mistake on them. So don't think this one will have it, but again, I'm so used to them. I've built so many Tamiya kits, I'm so used to them that but some people aren't. And this is the stickers for the body. A lot of them. I don't know if they are pre-cut. It looks like they're not pre-cut, so you're gonna have to get some scissors out. And these are the window masking. So anyway, there you have it. This is the what comes inside of the Tamiya MF-01X chassis, the Mercedes G320 kit. So in the future, I'm going to put together an assembly video for you, so you will see how everything comes together. and how everything's painted, and then also maybe a run video too. I'm not a big fan of run videos. Well, actually I am a big fan, I just don't really do them very well, so I'll leave that to the other YouTube channels. So anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and that motivates me to produce more videos of this kind and share my love of the hobby, the RC hobby. Thanks for watching.